Bromine is an element in group number 7 of the periodic table. What is the name given to the group 7 elements? Group 7 elements को हम कहते हैं halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Group number 7 halogens. Group number 8 noble gases कौन से हैं? 8 halogens, group number 7. Alkaline earth metals, group 2. Alkali metals, group 1. The symbols of the two isotopes of bromine are bromine 35, bromine 35, एक का 79 है, एक का 81 है. State what is meant by the term isotopes. तो isotopes क्या होते हैं? Atoms of the same element which have the same number of protons and different number of neutrons and mass. ये आपके पास definition है for isotope. Complete the table to show the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in one atom of Br. Proton तो दोनों में 35 होंगे, electrons भी 35 है. Mass क्या है दोनों का? Neutrons क्या होंगे? पहले की neutrons हो जाएंगे 79 minus 35, which would be giving you answer of 44. दूसरे के क्या हो जाएंगे? 81 minus 35, giving you an answer of 81 minus 35 क्या होता है? 46. Bromine water can be used to distill छोड़ दें. This is a question from organic chemistry. Question number 5. This question is about elements in group 1 of the periodic table. Which statement is correct about lithium? Lithium is a non-metal. Wrong. Lithium is a metal. Lithium forms a sulfate with formula LiSO4. LiSO4. नहीं. Lithium reacts with water to form an alkali. Yes. ये आपके पास correct answer होगा. Lithium and potassium, both of them are in group number 1. Have similar chemical properties because their atoms chemical properties किस पे depend करती हैं? On the number of electrons. Physical properties किस पे depend करती हैं? On the mass. So lithium and potassium have similar chemical properties because their atoms have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell, क्योंकि दोनों group number 1 में हैं. Small pieces of lithium and potassium are added to separate large tubs of water. ये भी वाला बिल्कुल छोड़ दें. We haven't done the observations one. Complete the equation for the reaction between rubidium and water by inserting state symbols. Rubidium we know is a solid. H2O पानी जो है water would be in liquid form. RbOH is an ionic concentrated aqueous solution form और hydrogen आपके पास gas हो जाएगी. The table shows information about the isotopes in a sample of rubidium. Use the information for the table to calculate the relative atomic mass of the sample of rubidium and give your answer to 1 decimal place. ठीक है, हमें पता है कि हमने relative atomic mass कैसे निकाला था. Number of कैसे करते थे? Percentage multiplied by mass. Mass क्या होगा? Mass तो मैं दिया नहीं, वो mass is proton plus neutron. तो पहले का mass क्या है? 37 plus 48 85. दूसरे का mass क्या है? 37 plus 15, that will give you 87. Now how are we going to calculate the relative atomic mass? 85 multiplied by the percentage plus 87 multiplied by its percentage divided by the sum of percentages, which is 100. Answer आपके पास आ जाएगा of relative atomic mass, which is 85.6. And this is the end of your worksheet.